When Facebook bought Instagram for $1 billion in 2012, Instagram had no revenue and just 13 employees. So why did Facebook do it? Because they valued its future, not just its present. Today, Instagram is estimated to be worth over $100 billion. That's the power of valuation, and it's a skill every serious finance professional needs. Now, you can learn it too. Welcome to our valuation course, built by industry expert Viraj Vaidya, CFA, FRM, who is trusted by 100,000 plus learners worldwide. In this course, you'll learn how to use the dividend discount model to value dividend-paying companies, build a complete discounted cash flow model from scratch, apply relative valuation using real company data, compare valuation methods, and pick the right one for different business types. And the best part? You'll do it all in Excel through step-by-step exercises, not theory-heavy lectures. On completion, you'll earn a certificate that proves your expertise and strengthens your resume. Whether you're a finance student, analyst, or investor, this course gives you the core valuation skills used in investment banking, equity research, and corporate finance. Still deciding? Check out sample videos and read real learner reviews on this page. If you're ready to think like the analysts behind billion-dollar deals, enroll now in the valuation course and start building real career-ready skills.